If you would like a part number to include more information about the part, consider using dynamic substacks. These substacks determine the value that should appear in the part number by analyzing the file extension, metadata, or the workspace it is in. For example, if you want the part number to indicate the category, you can add each of those in a dynamic substack and define how that specific file condition should appear in the part number as numbers or letters. You can add multiple substacks with information to incorporate into the part number. The counter is the unique identifier that gets assigned when a new part number is generated. It is based on the substacks that were created in the previous tab. Specify the number of digits the counter should be in the length field. If you want the numbers leading up to the rightmost digit to be something else besides 0, enter that value here. The current counter field will begin at 0 and keep track of how many times the counter has been incremented. Define any values the counter should skip in this field. The Part Number tab is used to define the structure. Use curly brackets for the substacks and counter, as well as any other characters you want to incorporate in the format. You can test how this would look in the playground. Any workspace, file extension, or metadata set as a substack is required as an input, or else a part number will not be generated. If you would like more than one counter, add a custom field. For example, we will create a separate counter for intelligent fasteners. The first part number that was generated for a battery thermal management system file was B-1 with 5 leading zeros. After this is assigned, the counter would automatically increment to 1. The next part number assigned for this category would be B-2. However, when we go to generate a part number for a file related to intelligent fasteners, the counter for this has not been affected yet, meaning the part number will be I-1 with 5 leading zeros. Just the intelligent fastener category will be treated separately in this case. If needed, reach out to your account manager for additional help.